male lips. I'm talking implants, Jonathan. I mean, men can already enlarge everything else on their bodies, but lips are largely virgin territory. How would you like to go through life with a set of these babies? An investment of 50 grand and you're in.
Well, Sam, I follow the market pretty closely, and everything I've read points to a bad year for rubber lips.
Oh, honey, baby, it's nap time. Afterward, we'll rent a movie. Hey, yeah, no, I told you not to get so close to the fridge. There you go. Come on. There we go. Close your eyes.
Mom, it's great you got the license number. I'm just saying you shouldn't chase muggers.
It's okay, Michael. He tells me the same thing.
What happened?
Sam, some robber stole our purses.
Oh, my God.
Are you all right?
Yes.
What?
Lois, there's something terribly wrong with Clark.
I know. I keep trying to get him to rest, but he won't listen to me. Hello. Oh, hi, Jimmy. Yeah, let's have it.
Why, Sam?
What? Are you sure? Okay, thanks. Guess who owns that van? Our favorite cover operation, Cosmart.
Well, maybe I'll just hop on over there and take a little scan. Whoa.
You'll do no such thing. Now sit down.
Oh, what's the matter, boy? What's...
Oh, honey, you're burning up.
Clark.
I don't know what's happening.
Son, let's take you home and get you to bed.
Okay. So, this is what being sick feels like. Oh, there's just one thing I have to do first.
The kids here at the Children's Home are eagerly awaiting the arrival of one of their favorite people, what has become an annual event.
Hey, kids, how you doing? Just wouldn't feel like the holidays if I didn't come down here and see you guys. Maybe some of you in our city are thinking that your family could use one more little person. Well, if that's the case, I'd like you to remember my little friends here.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Hello and Merry Christmas to my adopted hometown metropolis! I love kids. I mean, I used to be one myself. You orphans give me the gift of reminding me how fortunate I am to be wealthy. So I want to give something back.
I'm sick.
Oh, I love you.
You're not the only one.
No, seriously. I think I better get out of here.
For you. Oh, I love you. Oh.
Bye-bye. Oh, man.
Clark?